Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and in today's video we're talking about the hottest paper deals over at the Dollar General if you want to do it during the regular week and if you want to do it on Saturday. So a couple ground rules before we dive into this. Obviously on Saturday the 13th, when you compare that 5 off of 25 with your basket, bigger savings. All digital coupons are also of a one-time use, just to note that. And I'm here in Michigan, so these are Michigan prices. If you're in a different part of the United States, it might be more, it might be less. That's why you really have to pay attention to what you're doing in store. Use the Dollar General app, scan, and make sure that your basket is ringing up to 25 on the nose. Now, just to show you, this is a photograph of a receipt from a couple weeks back. I often post on Instagram how my hauls are doing. If you want to follow my Instagram, it's in the notes. And I just let you guys know if things are not working out. The magic of the Saturday 5 off of 25 is when you can get a basket like this to $2.50. That is the power of the Dollar General. And I posted something. I did a gain basket a couple days back, and I had showed a bunch of clearance because I noticed the clearance sections around here are getting staged to the nines, and I'm like, they must have another clearance event happening soon. And a couple of you in the comments said, yes, in fact, there will be one at the end of the month. I don't know if that's just going to be at a couple of stores or in some regions with a lot of stuff, or if it's going to be everywhere. But the more I find out, I will absolutely let you guys know. So definitely look at the clearance section when you're over at the store. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is if you want to do this any day, if you want to go out today and go and do this deal, we have this little coupon, which is a 4 off of 20 off of this Dollar General Home or True Living paper towels, bathroom tissue, facial tissue, paper towels, whatever you want. Obviously the paper towels, it's a really good value, these ones, for $5. Lots of you were saying too that this stuff lasts forever. It's a really good quality paper towel. So any day of the week, if you want to grab just 4 of them at $5 a pop, well, that's $20. Subtracting that 4 off of 20, you'll have to punch your phone number into the keypad. Cashier will press the final pay button. You're paying $16 for 4, and it shakes out each, 6-pack of that paper towel to $4 each. If you wanted to grab some facial tissue or toilet paper from the Dollar General brand, you can do that too. I just think that the really good value is with the paper towel. Okay, we're going there on the 13th, which is Saturday, and we need this guy loaded. And I know a lot of you were having a lot of success last weekend with this because I was getting a lot of messages over on Instagram. So for this basket, guys, we're going really crazy with the paper products. So we're going to grab 4 of these, and we're going to need this 4 off of 20 loaded to our store card. And again, if you wanted to grab a mix and match, just make sure that you get at least $20 of this Dollar General brand or of the True Living paper products, $20 on the nose. And then we're also going to grab one of these Cottonelles because we had a dollar coupon show up. So how very generous is that? So one of these guys for $5 on the nose. So you get a little bit of toilet paper and some paper towel for this basket. So looking at the math for this one, guys, and again, this is a Saturday one. We're grabbing 4 of the Dollar General True Living paper products, $5 a pop, so that's 20. And then 1 Cottonelle 12 count, 12 rolls, $5. So your total right here is $25. Whenever you want to punch in your phone number as the cashier is scanning stuff or right at the beginning, just make sure you punch in your phone number. Your 5 off of 25 is coming off along with $5 of digital manufacturers. You have the 4 off of 20 for the True Living and then the $1 for the Cottonelle. That's how I'm getting the $5. You're left with paying $15 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $3 per product. Now, Cottonelle is part of the Fetch Rewards catalog, so definitely photograph your receipt so you can get back extra points with that app for this purchase. Okay, so the next deal we're going to look at is with the 5 off of 25. And we're just going to kind of change the basket around a little bit, guys. We're going to grab one of these Centrum vitamins for $5 on the nose. We have this very generous $4 off. That would drop it down to $1. So I think you could see where I'm going with this. If you throw in $20 of paper products with this, you have your basket right at 25. So it's a pretty neat and tidy sort of basket. If you're a newbie, like this is definitely one to try out. So grabbing 4 of these, that's 20 on the nose, and please make sure you have your 4 off of 20 loaded as well. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, 4 of the Dollar General True Living paper towels, well, that's 20 bucks on the nose. 1 Centrum vitamin for 5. The total here is 25. You obviously punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $8 of digitals. You have 4 for the True Living paper towel and 4 for the Centrum. You're left with paying 12 out of pocket for the 5, shaking it out to $2.40 per product. So how wonderful is this basket? Now with the 5 off of 25, sometimes you're $1 short, or something might not be in stock. Don't be shy to look down that dollar aisle, because look what I was finding, guys. These little 4-packs of the Scott. They have a lot of good cleaning products and name brand toilet paper if you really want to make a war chest at your house full of that. So just a little something to keep your eye out for. The last deal that we're going to look at is just a hodgepodge of items. So you need your 5 off of 25. Make sure you have this guy loaded. The first item in the basket will be some vitamins for $5 on the nose. We need our $4 digital coupon loaded. And let's not forget, the digital coupons are a one-time use. So if you used this one last week, you might have to get creative and walk down the dollar aisle and change things up. And then we're going to grab one of these larger Gain detergents. For $6.95, we have a $2 digital that's attaching to this product. Now the Tide Simply Pods are $2.95. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping that down to 95 cents. This is attaching only with the Tide Simply Pods. It is not going with the liquid, but how wonderful is that for 95 cents? So this is a really great item to throw into your basket. And then we're going to grab one of these fancy dancy razors for $6. And I'm trying to bulk up the basket to 25, so that's why we have the more expensive one. And then we have this $3 digital coupon that's affixing to it. And then the last item, of course, we have some Cottonelle for $5 on the nose. And we have this $1 digital coupon that's affixing to the product. Okay, guys, looking at the mathematics for this one, we have the Centrum vitamin for $5, the Gain detergent for $6.95. Now, with that Gain purchase, I'm saying buy that liquid detergent, but if you wanted dryer sheets or fabric softener, just anything at $6.95 where that $2 coupon is attaching, Tide Simply, you have to buy the pods, not the liquid, for $2.95. An expensive Bic razor for $6, and then 1 Cottonelle for $5 on the nose. So the total for this whole basket is $25.90. So punch in your phone number at the beginning or when the cashier is scanning your stuff. And then the 5 off of 25 is coming off, and $12 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $8.90 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.78 per product. This is a basket full of meat and potatoes, household stuff, and got everything from Gain to toilet paper. It does not get any better than that. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.